Compare and Code. In this video, you learn to make tables. Tables can be used for many purposes like calculating stuff, timetables, and those kind of stuff. So first open up a Sublime Text and then open your browser. Open your file here. Learning_HTML. Here it is, we loaded it. Now let's start. First, make the table icon. Make the table tag. Make the table tag and enter. So table has two main. Tables can be made using three tags. One is the table. One is tr, th and td. TD means table data, which will be inside cells. Another is th, which is the table heading, and another is tr, table rows. For now, let's make two rows and two headings. But for that also, we will have to make it inside a row. Make the table row tag, and now make th stand for table heading, and now let's name it the heading number 1. Let's make another heading number 2. So if you have two headings, there have to be two table datas. I'll show you. Just replace these with td instead of th, and here write data. So table heading is like columns. Table heading is mainly like columns. So there will be two columns, heading 1 named heading number 1 and another heading number 2. And table data are rows. Mainly these tr makes the rows, but the data inside it td will make the data inside it. Like this. Now save it and go to the browser and reload. Here it is. Oops. So now let's make the table attributes. First you have to do the border. So border is clearly visible. So the border is visible. Just write border is equal to 1. That will make the border easily visible. Here. Alright, we have to make two rows like this. Data number 2. We can also do like that. And here I will write row number 1, and here row number 2 here. Let's save it. Let's see how the result is now. As you can see, the headings are columns like this. It's a column, and this is another column, and this is a row, and this is another row. So because we have two TRs, but there's an exception. When we put only TH, table headings also, okay. But let's observe it carefully. There are 3 table TR tags, which means there are 3 rows in total. Here, see, there are 3 rows. and here there is two TDs in both of them. TDs and TDs mostly are like cells. Here is TD, this is one TD and this is another TD. Let's see what will happen if we remove this. It is removed. So this proves that TH, and the only difference between TH and TD is that TH is bold. Now if we remove this and we go here, 1 minute, Control S, and we go here, the row is totally gone. You can make as many headings and as many cells or rows you want. Now let's make 5 rows. First I'll make 5 columns. Control C, 3, 4, 5. I'll name them 5 and 4. Now this is one row, this is another row. If you want to have only 2 rows, that's okay. Now let's do it. But also be careful that these two are the same. The data that is inside these two tags does not make it different. Three, 4, 5. Data number 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here it will be same here also. Row number 2. Now see, there will totally be 3 rows, but 5 cells in each row, because there are 5 TDs in each of the rows. Let's confirm. There. This is column number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And there are 2 rows. One is this and another is this. And there are 5 cells in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's make the table more beautiful. There are 2 useful attributes in this: cell spacing and cell padding. I'll show you cell spacing first. If we write here 5, the spaces between the cells will be increased. Here you can see the difference. The spaces between the cells have been increased a lot. Now if we increase cell padding to 5, the space between the contents of the cell and the cell will be increased. You can see a lot of space is added inside the cells. There are many more, like align. Align is equal to center. This will align the table to the center. Here we can also use align with all of these. Align is equal to center. I will copy it and paste it here. Save it. There. This row number 1 and row number 2 are now in center. Now let's set the background color. I'll decrease this and this. Let's set a background color now. We can use the attribute bg color. You can use codes for different colors, like there are different codes for colors like hashtag 1, 2, I don't know. Or you can just type the names of the colors. But please note, you can't write more advanced colors like dark pink. You cannot write dark pink. If you give a weird color like red here, you cannot write colors like these. You can only write simple colors. If I write pink, actual pink will come. See, I will make it blue. Here. Also, we can change the background color of each cell individually also. BG color is equal to red. I'll use this here also. Ta-da! So guys, I hope you liked my video and learned a lot about making tables in HTML. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!